I stopped buying mushrooms when I realized I could grow 52 pounds of them in this $3 bucket. Here's exactly how I did it, step by step. £52 from one bucket. This $3 bucket right here. Here's exactly how $3. That's all this bucket cost. Now watch what goes inside. Drill holes every 4 inches around the bucket. These are where mushrooms will fruit. Four inches apart. This spacing gives mushrooms room to grow without crowding. One, work your way around the bucket. Every 4 inches, another hole. Straw is the perfect home for mushroom roots. But first, it needs to be pasteurized or let the straw cool to room temperature. Hot straw will kill the mushroom spawn. This is spawn mushroom roots already growing on grain. It's the seed for your whole harvest. Start with a layer of cooled straw at the bottom. This gives the spawn something to grow into. Then cover with more straw. Alternate layers like lasagna until the bucket is full. Leave a little space at the top. Next, we'll seal it up for the magic to happen. The lid needs holes too. Air exchange helps mushrooms grow strong. Cover the holes with micropore tape. It lets air flow but keeps contamination out. Keep the bucket around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. In 2 weeks, the magic begins. After 1 week, the mycelium starts spreading through the straw. This white fuzz is the mycelium, the mushroom root system. It's taking over. Now it needs light and moisture. Mist daily and watch for pins. After about 18 days, you'll see tiny pins forming. This is where mushrooms begin. Three weeks in and they're really taking off. Mist them daily and watch them grow. First harvest is always the most exciting. Twist gently at the base and pull. Time to weigh this beauty and add it to our total. £7.8 from Owing Cluster. This bucket is an absolute monster. And here comes an even bigger one. This bucket just keeps giving. £10.4. This single cluster weighs more than most grocery store mushroom sections. And we're not even halfway done. This bucket has multiple flushes, each one bigger than the last. Every hole keeps producing giants. This bucket is a mushroom factory, £37.9. Just over £14 to go. £52 from one $3 bucket. That's over a year's supply of mushrooms. $3. That's all it took. 52 pounds of fresh, organic mushrooms. £52 of mushrooms. $3. That's about $17 per pound at the store. You do the math. Grow your own. It's cheaper, healthier, and absolutely delicious. Happy growing!